Hi and Assalamualaikum to Puan Julaila. Today I would like to present about vector and scalar in Engineering Mathematics 1. This slide is about to present by Muhammad Imran bin Nur Azam. My student ID is 09DMB20F2009 and my friend is Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Azman. His student ID is 09DMB20F2015. Find vector. Vector have two, scalar quantities and vector quantities. And for scalar quantities, it has only magnitude. And for vector quantities, it has a magnitude and a direction. For example, scalar quantities have length, area and volume. But for vector quantities, it has displacement, direction, velocity and acceleration. Definition: vector and scalar. Math was invented by humans to describe and understand the world around us. We live in at least four-dimensional world governed by the passing of time and three space dimension: up and down, left and right, back and forth. We observe that there are three some quantities and processes in our world that depend on the direction in which they occur, and there are some quantities that do not depend on direction. For example, the volume of an object, the three-dimensional space that an object occupies, does not depend on direction. For example, if we have a 5 cubic foot block of iron and we move it up and down and then left and right, we still have a 5 cubic foot block of iron. On the other hand, the location of an object does depend on direction. If we move then 5 cubic foot block 5 miles to the north, the resulting location is very different than if we move it 5 miles to the east. Scientists call a quantity which depends on direction a vector quantities. A quantity which does not depends on direction is called a scalar quantity.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Azman. Nombor metrik 09DMB20F2015. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan soalan berkaitan vektor and skala. Soalan yang diberikan ialah O mempunyai koordinat 00, M mempunyai koordinat -4, -3 dan N mempunyai koordinat 2, -5. Cari dalam sebutan vektor unit I dan J. Soalan pertama iaitu untuk mencari Mn. Mula-mula kita mesti menggunakan formula yang diberikan di sebelah kanan. Okey, dengan menggunakan formula itu, OM ialah kita ambil koordinat M iaitu -4, -3 dan ON kita ambil koordinat N 25. Untuk mencari Mn sama dengan MO tambah ON, iaitu 4 3 tambah 25 dan mendapat jawapan 8. Dan untuk mencari Mn sama dengan 6i tambah 8j. Soalan kedua ialah mencari vektor unit dalam arah Mn. Dengan menggunakan jawapan dari soalan pertama iaitu 6i tambah 8j, dan supaya itu kita menggunakan teorem Pythagoras iaitu mendapat jawapan 10. Arah bagi Mn ialah 6i tambah 8j per 10 sama dengan 6i per 10 dan kita kecilkan menjadi 3/5i. Dan 8J per 10 kita kecilkan mendapat 4/5J. Arah MN sama dengan 3/5I tambah 4/5J. Okey. Sekian, terima kasih. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Azman. Today I will to discuss about conclusion. The conclusion, we release the vector can be used in many areas such as engineering. Without the using the protractor to measure the angle, we can apply the vector formula to find the angle that can be so will die using in a real life applicate. And it is very useful for the most engineer. Second, we quick recognition that vector is very useful in the determine the unknown side of a object. Vector don't and is past the vector subject or know as mathematics, and we will use it always in your engineering career. We can conclude the without vector life cloud be much more difficult. That's all. Thank you.